Pepe holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. So yeah, without further ado, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Pepe and of course what we could be expecting. So looking across the board right now, you are seeing, market once again, going into the red. Yes, few coins are up, but the majority of the market is seeing a little bit of a retracement once again. As far as Pepe is concerned, though, it's still up right now. It's one of the very few coins that's remaining within the green over the last 24 hours, up about 0.3%, especially compared to the big meme coins. Look at Bonk down 3.7%, Doge down 2.1%, and I think Shiba Inu as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2.1% as well. So again, when we look at it from a day-to-day perspective, that is something, of course, that's worthwhile noting. But as far as the price is concerned, 94.53, up 0.3% in USD. We're up about 1% in Ethereum comparative, but we are down about 0.2% in BTC comparative. Market cap $4 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 746 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at the holder count. Obviously making its way up to the 401,000 holders, and we're getting closer and closer to that. And again, that is an amazing milestone. The fact that we are above 400,000 holders, while there's a lot of market uncertainty right now, especially meme coins being impacted quite heavily over the last I wouldn't say 1 month, I would say the past 1 to 2 weeks. And despite that fact, holder count for Pepe continues to increase. So what does that show us? That shows us people are still accumulating. So that's amazing to see, of course. But looking at the broader meme coin market, as I've mentioned earlier, the market is once again kind of retracing. Look at the last 24 hours, you are seeing several coins down yet again. Obviously you could take it from whichever angle you want to be analyzing this, but the market momentum is quite bearish right now for the entire market. Some people are looking at this as a massive opportunity to accumulate some coins, but the real question is, are we about to see more pain coming for the market? That's what we're going to be discussing in this specific update. But what's really nice to point out right now is the fact that Shiba Inu, of course, is gaining a lot of momentum right now. I spoke to you guys about that yesterday. They have been very massive news. So, shout out to the Shiba Inu community. So, of course, that kind of explains why you're seeing it performing so good. But right now, specifically, if you're looking at the last top 10, if you're looking at the top 10 meme coins, Pepe seems to be the only one in the 24-hour time frame that's up. And again, I know it's only up 0.3%, but again, that should not be ignored. So looking at Bitcoin Dominance Index, I'm sure everyone at this point knows the significance of this tool and why you want to be paying very close attention to it. This is a very important index that you want to kind of learn how to use. And right now, this index is showing extreme amount of strength. And, this strength you don't want to see. I'm going to be quite frank with you. I've been telling you guys the importance of this, and as of now, you're seeing a lot of strength within the dominance index. And of course, if Bitcoin were to even see a little bit of a shift in momentum towards the downside, which it has been seeing. That's one thing I want you guys to remember. We have been seeing bearish price action for Bitcoin recently. Yes, we have seen a little bit of a bounce, but all these bounces that we have seen keeps getting rejected. That shows the weakness is definitely there. And with the dominance index showing this type of strength, it's not a good sign for altcoins. So now, obviously, that's something we need to consider. And right now, if you're looking at BTC, let's actually give it a refresh live while we have the Bitcoin charts loaded up. Yeah, $97,000. Far away from that 98K resistance. We need to break above there, as I've said to you guys several times. But, a lot of people are going to come out and say, Crypto ZX, what are you talking about? The market is bouncing right now. But what I want you guys to look at it is from here. You know what? Let me chart this out for you guys so you can see this for yourself. After this dead cat bounce, I still think it's a dead cat bounce because 102K, we made our way back down to 94.8K mark. But you are seeing a pattern playing out, downwards trajectory. Look at the lows. We just keep going lower and lower. So are we about to make our way up to possibly even 98K and get rejected and see us fall back down to the 92.5? Possibly. But you cannot ignore this pattern that we're seeing right now within the Bitcoin, hourly time frame. Even if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, you can kind of see it. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. So as far as Pepe's price is concerned right now, I want to obviously take a look at it on the hourly time frame here. Pretty flat. we're pretty flat right now. Obviously, consolidating within this range, not bad. Of course, it's better than going down while the broader market is down. Pepe has been consolidating at this range, but we need to understand the importance of this range. You could see this for yourself. We do have quite some support at this level. Obviously, if the support does not hold, down to the 85.02 zone could be in play. And guess where that puts us? The February 3rd wick. Literally, almost close to that. And that should just tell you, the importance of these levels. So right now, of course, nothing too exciting for, Pepe's price. Yes, we are consolidating pretty, flat. Again, no one's really complaining at this specific move rather than going down. But in order for us to, obviously that confirmation, nothing has changed in terms of confirmation. Of course, you want to see, I'm going to keep it simple for you guys. We want to see the price of Pepe sitting above 12.91 in order for us to get the confirmation. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal predictions? Do you think the price of Bitcoin will drop below the 23.6 and break, this long consolidation phase and see a major market flush? Or do you think market will see a bounce from here? Let me know down below what your personal thoughts. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.